Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is the night before Mother's Day and we are going out to celebrate my mum because tomorrow's going to be a bit crazy. So we thought we'd divide and conquer and kind of spread Mother's Day throughout the weekend. So we're heading to our local foodie market, so come along with us. We have arrived and we're excited to do this because we've been to Eat Street, which is down at Brisbane, and it's nice to have something so local and close to us, and most exciting is giving Mum her Mother's Day gift. What did you find?
What's the blue one say?
The blue one for the patta cake.
For the what?
The patta cake.
The patta cakes?
Patta cake, patta cake. Patta cake, patta cake, bake. Give me. Who's that?
Nanny!
Have 72-hour marinated, 10-hour cooked lamb with garlic bread.
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread and what's that? Like dill mayo yogurt.
So we're going on a hunt for Asian?
Yep.
Yeah.
Something else.
Something else. Okay. We do love a good dumpling. Do they have any sticky pork buns?
6 for 12 barbecue pork buns.
Shut up and take my money. Yes, that is the one. That was like super fast. Okay, now we're on the hunt for second course because of the kids. We've got to make the most of this time to scavenger hunt. So we've got Asian. We're thinking, I don't know what we're thinking. We're just gonna have a look. Let's have a look. This. Hey, yes. Okay, which one?
Pork belly?
Pork belly. Yeah, let's do pork belly. What are we doing?
Looking for dessert.
What are you feeling like?
I always feel like ice cream.
Of course, ice cream is Michael's #1 choice. Being lactose intolerant though, not my #1 choice, so...
That's free ice cream!
Yay! So...
Sorbet.
Yeah, so we're gonna go on the hunt for either a sorbet or a lactose free. And Michael is being such a gentleman and gave me his nice woolly jumper. So let's do this. Hey. Low sugar, no nasties. Yes. Ooh.
I make it all myself, it's all handcrafted, low sugar.
Excellent. Thank you. Yummy ice cream. You excited? So, lo and behold, we actually found a low sugar dark chocolate sorbet and it tastes so creamy and rich and I'm so excited to try it. And you got salted caramel?
And cookies and cream.
And cookies and cream. So
That's gonna go with the girls, so.
yeah. So we're gonna share it between all of us, so I probably won't share mine too much because it's Mother's Day tomorrow. You say Happy Mother's Day, Mama. This is my mama. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
It's a good night, hey.
Well, lovely
That's
night.
my dad. It's my family.